In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use quick responses on Fiverr. By the end, you'll know exactly where to access them in your inbox and how to create your own templates so you can reply quickly while keeping your tone professional and friendly. First, open your web browser, go to Google, and type Fiverr. From the results, click the official Fiverr website and sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on the Fiverr homepage, head to your inbox. To do that, look toward the top right corner and click the envelope icon. This takes you to your messages, where all conversations are organized. Open any message thread you'd like to respond to. At the bottom of the message composer, you'll see a small lightning or thunder icon. Click that. This opens the Quick Responses panel. Here you'll find a list of ready-to-use or previously saved responses. If one fits the situation, select it to instantly insert the text into your message. You can always tweak the wording before sending to make it feel personal and relevant to the client's question. If you want something tailored to your workflow, you can also create your own quick response. Click Create a new quick response. You'll be prompted to name it. Keep the name short and descriptive so you can find it fast later. For example, auto reply, initial response. Clear names make a big difference when you're juggling multiple templates. Next, enter the message you want to save. A simple, professional option could be, "Hello, thank you for reaching out. I've received your message and will review the details shortly. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Looking forward to working with you." Feel free to adjust the tone to match your brand voice. Consider placeholders you'll edit each time, like a client's first name or a project detail, so your response stays human and not generic. When you're satisfied with the content, click Save. Your new quick response will now appear in the same panel, ready to insert whenever you open the lightning icon during a conversation. As a tip, create a small set of templates that cover your most common scenarios: initial greetings, follow-up requests for details, delivery updates, and closing messages. Keep them concise, positive, and easy to customize in a few seconds. That's it. You've located quick responses, explored the existing options, and created your own. Use them to respond faster, stay consistent, and free up time to focus on delivering great work.